Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing here at 21205 Della Osa in sunny Woodland Hills. This is an amazing 6,200 square foot corner lot. As you can see, you have this really big private front yard here. And let me take you guys inside and show you what we have. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, about 1,800 square feet, a little over 1,800 square foot. As I mentioned, a 6,200 square foot corner lot. The lot is amazing. You can see beautiful surfaces in the kitchen, really nice cabinetry, great appliances. The place is essentially brand new. You have a nice little dining area here. You have a bar top here for 3 to 4 easily to eat at. Everything flows really well. You have great natural light through this place. You actually have a second entrance here. So if somebody wanted to add an ADU into what's here already, you could just put up a wall and easily do that because you have 2 separate entrances. You got 2 bedrooms on this side, one of them being the primary. Right now, one of them set up as an office. Step inside. Over here, you have a very generous size primary bedroom with a beautiful bathroom, plenty of closet space. And then check out the yard that you have here. Very generous size, good size. You can see the super mature grapefruit tree with grapefruits all over it. It actually smells so good. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling right now. Thank you guys for joining us here at 21205 Della Osa here in Woodland Hills. As I mentioned, this location is awesome because you're dead center between Ventura Boulevard and the 101 and Topanga Canyon for those hot sunny days when you want to hop over to the beach, jump in the water. So if you guys know anybody looking, you know where to find us.